Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am Kitty Claus 18 and I love everything to do with nails. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this like leopardy set, so stay tuned. So I already had another set before this. I was using some of my Shein nail tips that I showed you in that last Shein haul. They were the white like French tips. And they came out pretty good. I just ombre'd some nude and added a little marble design. Right now I have a extra course, or I think it's a 4x course, drill bit from Pana, and I'm just debulking the nail, getting the design off. I decided to go a little bit sharper this time, so as you can tell in this video, in this clip, my nails were more like a sharp almond, and I filed and filed to make it more of a stiletto shape. So I'm just going to go around, debulk, get everything down so that I can start the process of creating my new set. Okay, kitty, so here I'm going in with my little cuticle drill bit. I love this drill bit. It's flat at the top, and this is in real time, guys. It's really flat, and it's in a fine grit. And not only does it get rid of all the dead, dry skin, but it also pushes back the live cuticle. So that is awesome. I have this bit linked in the description box below. It's part of my common use or everyday use or constant go-tos, I think it's called. So here I'm using my 5-in-1 tapered drill bit from Pana. I love this bit. So the tip of it is fine, then it goes to like medium, and the bottom of the barrel is coarse. So, and I forgot the other two. Anyway, I think it's also, you can reverse it left and right. So yeah, and what I'm doing is I'm going around the base of that nail. I'm not using it on my actual nail plate because even though it's a fine grit, it would still be too coarse, but I'm just trying to get rid of any more bulk, and if I see any lifting, I'm getting rid of that as well. Now I'm going over my natural nail with my sanding band. I believe it's a 240 grit, so it's a good grit, very soft, very gentle on the natural nail. I also get these in bulk. I think it comes in a pack of 100 or 200 for like $6 on Amazon from Pana. Okay, and no, it's not sponsored. I've been saying Pana a lot. I just really like the brand, and that's what I've been using. Hello, Pana, you should sponsor me if you're watching this video. Everybody down below, like, comment or at the Pana Nail Company, please, because I'm giving out some free promotions here. Anyway, like I said earlier in the video, I wanted to change the shape a little bit, so I went from like a sharp almond to like a straight stiletto, so I can really have some claws, because I had an idea of doing a leopard, and I was like, yeah, they gotta be claws for leopard. So that's what I'm doing. So at this point, we have shaped, we filed. Now we're going in with the Mia's Secret primer, and I do 2 coats of that, and then I'm using Mia's Secret Cover Pink as my nude, and I'm using Extreme Plus Monomer. It's been working pretty well for me so far. You can get it from Sam's Nail Supply on Amazon for about $45. It's been working out pretty good for me. I also have the Extreme Plus primer. I tend to go back and forth between which primer I'm gonna use, so it just depends. But it's been working out pretty good. So yeah, I'm just redoing my ombre, I want to say. I didn't want to change the color or whatever. I wanted to keep it a very neutral or natural base for my leopard. Also, the brush I'm using is, of course, Pana. A Pana Kolinsky acrylic brush in a size 14. I do have it linked down below in my constant go-tos, I believe, in the description box. Once again, please tag Pana in this video. I literally buy all of their stuff. Come on, Pana, like, cut your sister a little deal. Send some products so I can review them like I've been doing, and then I can do some giveaways, like, come on. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just ombreing that nude Mia Secret Cover Pink, which is what I'm using as my nude. Now to get the white to shine a little bit better and not look so dull, I'm going in with my own mix of white. It's more like it's a milky white that I made myself. So I used a Mia Secret white acrylic. I added some Mia Secret clear acrylic, and I believe I added a little iridescent shimmer to it. Not a lot, very subtle, and that's how I made that little white mix. Now I'm capping my ombre with Mia Secret clear acrylic. It's important to cap your ombres or any designs pretty much, so that when you go to do your finished filing, you do not buff away or file away your design that you did, right? So that's what I'm doing here. Now we're going to file and regain that sharp stiletto. So you always should go back in and file again, just to regain whatever shape you're doing, because you will lose some of that shape when you are, you know, applying your acrylic and stuff. And now I'm going in with, of course, a Pana fine drill bit. It's not a safety bit, but I love this bit for my cuticle area. I go right up in there and I try to get it nice and flush with the nail. That way it prevents any lifting and any greenies, etc. Then I'm going in with, you guessed it, a Pana. I think it's an 80 grit sanding band, and just to get it nice and smooth and even. And yeah, so I'm doing the design portion. Now, one of my beautiful subscribers, one of my kitties, she told me to get the iMethod gel transfer foil, and I have been living my best transfer foil life. I love my subscriber. I love my whole community. You guys really look out for me and help me out. So I'm using that. I think I cure for 30 seconds or 60 seconds. And then I go ahead and apply. And I mean, I loved this like leopardy, cheetah-y kind of print. The thing is, I realized after the fact that it's like two different tones of brown for the nails. So the foil is a different kind of brown than the one that's in the leopard butterflies. So this set came out cute, pretty cute, but yeah, let's just say it didn't last long. I did change it. I did do like a complete soak off, did a brand new set, and you guys will be seeing that set soon. It is my winter set, not Christmas set, but it's my winter set. I think I did post it on my Instagram the other day, and it's not your traditional winter. I have pinks and blues and an ombre and snowflakes. It's cute. It's cute. It's really cute. I love it. I will be doing some more Christmassy for the holiday season sets soon. I just want to get out the videos I've already recorded, but I have some good fun stuff planned for you guys. So yeah, this part or portion, I'm just designing and trying to make it look cute. I realized, like I said, it was 2 different browns, but everyone else said it was so cute. They loved it. And I'm like, yeah, it's all right. You know how you do your nails and other people will go, oh my God, it's so cute. It's so pretty. It's so awesome. But to you, you're like, yeah, but I messed up there. And I could have did more. Like, we're always our biggest critics. I know that's me for sure. I definitely suffer from that. I'm the world's worst critic of myself. I'm very critical, and I think it's because I love nails so much that I just want to be perfect all the time, you know? So yeah, if you're like that, if you are just like me when it comes to nails, please drop a purple heart emoji or just type heart emoji down below. So, you know, all of us in our nail community can feel loved and know that it's not just you. We are all in this together. So anyway, yeah, so I'm using these little, I guess, stones, we can call it, that I got from my Shein haul, which is in a previous video. I really, really love them. And yeah, they did come out pretty cute. Like, I'm not mad, but I wish the leopard browns matched more, but not too bad. Not too bad. I loved how this came out. I will try another leopard set and make sure it matches next time. But thank you guys so much for clicking into my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video with everyone and anyone. Remember to stay safe, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay prayed up. And until next time, bye kitties.